Hi, I'm Dr. Nick Schultz of Schultz Chiropractic and Wellness. I'm going to give you a brief little office tour. We are located in the Fountain Hills Medical Campus, just down the hall from Spooner and Shaft. So this is our reception room here. When you come in, you can check in. The team sits behind here, and I'm going to show you as we go back different parts of the office. So a big cornerstone of our office is educating our patients. When we get x-rays, we can put them up on this TV screen here or the view box. Either one, we're going to sit down and go through your imaging in detail. Because the bottom line is, if we can help you, we're going to tell you, and if we can't, we're going to tell you that too. That happens right here in this room. So this is one of the adjustment rooms that we have here, and there's multiple tools that we use to move bones into position. I certainly can use my hands on a physical method. We also have instruments for patients that need a lighter touch. This does a little bit of clicking when we press this. It's very comfortable, very easy to take. Some of our patients require this type of specialized table called a drop table, where the pieces come up and I can push the spine down into position. This is also very gentle. That's what happens in here. One of the things that we're really passionate about is educating our patients on how to get better faster and stay stronger longer. So in this area, we teach patients exercises, stretching, and really rehab, so again, we can accomplish those goals and help the spine stay in place. That's what happens in here. One of the other areas that we focus on in our office is helping patients lose weight. We have a natural approach to that, and this is a 5-pound fat model, and we have our patients losing these left and right. We're pretty excited about that. We also use technology to find out if we're able to help the patient, and this is a readout of a certain type of electronic scale that we use that shows us body mass index, right? BMI, body fat percentage, hydration levels, visceral fat, that's the fat around organs. We're able to do these scans with our patients and find out where they are in their health and weight, and how we can help them reduce that. That happens right here in this office. So a lot of our patients have pain, inflammation, swelling. They can hardly move. They're just so tight and sore that we have some other technology here designed to reduce those type of symptoms. This is called muscle stimulation. We use electrical current through these pads with moist heat to break down spasms, inflammation, and reduce pain. This is very effective technology. A lot of our patients have a lot of relief coming from that. One of the things that really separates us from other chiropractic offices is having some spinal decompression. That's this machine you see here. This machine is fantastic for certain types of lower back conditions like disc problems, chronic lower back pain, and stenosis. This table tilts down to a horizontal, and what the machine can do is gently pull the spine apart, creating space, taking pressure off the disc and pressure off the nerve. This thing is fantastic technology for that type of condition. So I want to thank you for coming along on this little virtual tour here. Just a couple key points as I wrap up is, number one, this is my 28th year in practice, 28 years of helping people. We're conveniently located in the Fountain Hills Medical Campus. And if you're interested in coming in for a consultation, I'll tell you this. If I can help you, I'm going to tell you. And if I can't, I'm going to tell you that as well. And if I can't, we're going to help find someone to help you get better. So again, my name is Dr. Nick Schultz. You can like us on Facebook, check out our reviews at Google, and give us a call if you need some help. Thanks.